How can I plan a presentation where my goal is to persuade my listener or listeners, as in a sales call? In this video, I am going to give you a step-by-step approach to deliver a persuasive sales presentation. My name is JAYNE Latz, founder of Corporate Speech Solutions, where I have worked with organizations and individuals just like you for over 15 years to build the skills so that you can always communicate in a clear, concise, and confident manner, whether you are speaking one-on-one or 1 to 1,000. My team and I have been delivering this service for 15 years. We are all licensed and certified speech language pathologists. I worked in healthcare. I worked as a professor at New York University, and I founded this company over 15 years ago. So you will get the results when you practice our strategies. Before I go on with the step-by-step process on how to deliver that persuasive sales presentation, I'd like to remind you and call your attention to our series, our playlist on this very topic. If you have not yet reviewed all the videos in the playlist, you may want to do that as soon as you finish watching this video. So how do I plan and prepare a persuasive delivery? You might be called on to persuade your audience or deliver a sales talk. Whatever that is, here is the 5 steps you want to follow. 1, frame the need for that product, service, or idea. 2, describe the need in more detail. For example, how important is it for you to have strong presentation skills? I would then describe that need in great detail. 3, describe the ways in which your solution addresses the need. We can assure you that with our training, our private, customized, one-to-one training, you will have the skills to deliver a dynamic presentation to a group of any size, whether it's 1 or 1,000. Number 4, describe the benefits of buying in to your solution. In the case of our training, the benefits are career acceleration, achieving leadership roles, moving up the corporate ladder. And number 5 is to get agreement on what the next step should be. Should I follow up with you next week? Should we pencil in a date for a call on Tuesday? Get agreement on that next step. There are so many techniques to help you get excited for being persuasive in your sales talk. So again, visit our playlist, learn the skills to relax and prepare for a presentation of any size and any length. I'm JAYNE Latz, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.